is Dragon's1 here, and I'm with DuckKiller21, Chucky Backer,
and I'm Chucky Baker, and my channel is awesome, and we're just gonna do a Minecraft vlog, in Minecraft, and I don't know.
This is just us introducing Team Furry Animals. That's our team. We have the duck, the dog.
My favorite animals! He was my favorite.
Look at his face! Yeah. Oh, look at this immenseness. Yeah. So. Anyway. One of
and we've got a new person in Team Furry Animals.
Yeah, so we have a new member in Team
What?
Furry Animals. It's Colonel Cuckoo.
Colonel Cuckoo.
Cuckoo. Anyway, yeah. So this was Team Furry Animals, guys.
Yeah, I hope you
Hope
guys
you
enjoyed. And leave a like if you do. And this is our channel. So I just want to say yeah. Bye.